Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the southern end of the Las Vegas Strip, pretty much the very southern end of the Las Vegas Strip. I'm at Mandalay Bay right now. Gonna head into the mall that connects Mandalay Bay to the Luxor Hotel and Casino. And the mall is not that big of a shopping mall compared to other malls on the Strip. This mall is called the Shops at Mandalay Place. Before I actually get into the video, a quick note about these escalators. A couple years ago, I was here about 10 o'clock at night, heading from Mandalay Bay to the Luxor, and three very drunk Australian guys were getting on the escalator going up, and they actually fell up. They fell down going up the escalator. One guy's pants got caught at the very top, and it ripped his pants to shreds. So I always say, hold on tight. One of the first places you see as you leave Mandalay Bay and start heading towards the Luxor is 1923, which is a private hidden speakeasy featuring live music and a live burlesque adjacent to the -5 ice bar. There's a hidden door somewhere here, and they have quite an extensive drink menu. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. I love art galleries and try to put a couple minutes aside every time I pass one to walk in and check things out. Unfortunately, just about everyone without exception does not allow photography or video recording. Hey look, it's a souvenir shop here in Las Vegas. I haven't seen one in at least 3 minutes. I actually read this book a couple years ago. It's very good. As I said earlier, the Shops at Mandalay Place here is kind of small compared to other malls here on the Strip, and there's actually a couple vacancies, which is unusual for a Las Vegas Strip mall. Some of the lounges and restaurants here are, as I said earlier, the 1923 Speakeasy. There's a burger bar, a Fat Tuesday, a Hassong's Cantina, Kung Fu Tea, a -5 Ice Lounge, a Rira Irish Pub, and a Slice of Vegas Pizzeria. As many of you know, I'm an avid surfer. Okay, who am I kidding? But regardless, I love stopping into surf shops, especially Ron Jon surf shops. There's one right here in Mandalay Place Shops. I also visited the world's largest Ron Jon surf shop in Cape Canaveral, so check that video out. It's in the cruise playlist here on the New York channel. Here we have a Guinness store and a Ree-Rah Irish pub. There used to be a Ree-Rah Irish pub in the Tropicana in Atlantic City. Never recovered from the pandemic. It's now the Wild Honey Smokehouse. Both I enjoy, but I really wish Ree-Rah was back in Atlantic City. I do love their fish and chips. Does anyone know the difference between a flip-flop and a scuffy? I don't. Leave a comment below. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Let's see, some of the shops here at the shops at Mandalay Place include Beast Mode, Chapel Hats, Cross Connection Electronics, there's the Flip Flop shops, the Guinness store, there's a Karma and Luck, a Lick store, a LIK Fine Art store, Lush Fresh Handmade Cosmetics, there's a Lids, there's a O Bag, there's Pandora, of course the Ranjan Surf Shop, which we saw, and a place called Shades, as well as the Las Vegas Sock Market and the Raider Image, and of course that Welcome to Las Vegas souvenir shop that we were in. Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New Yawk channel, check out the new Facebook New Yawk fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. Well, my New Yorkers, I hope you enjoyed our little stroll through the somewhat little mall here, the shops at Mandalay Place. It is one way to get from the Mandalay Bay to the Luxor Hotel and Casino. Another one is to walk along the strip. And a third one is to take the tram. It's a free tram that connects Mandalay Bay to Luxor to the Excalibur. But in any event, we're right by the Luxor entrance. That's a completely different video. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, leave a comment and give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.